In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Yahoo Mail in the Gmail app. To get started, open Gmail on your computer using your usual web browser. It is important to do this on a computer because the settings we need are easiest to access from the full desktop version of Gmail. Once Gmail is open and you are signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for the gear icon. This is the settings shortcut. Click the gear icon and then choose See All Settings. This will take you to the complete settings page, where Gmail lets you manage accounts, filters, forwarding, and more. Across the top, you will see several tabs. Find and click the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This is where Gmail keeps options for linking other email addresses and bringing mail into your inbox. Now scroll until you see the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts. In that area, click Add a Mail Account. A small window will open asking for the email address you want to add. Here, type your Yahoo email address carefully, since Gmail will use it to connect to the right account. After entering it, click Next. On the next screen, choose the option that says Link Account with Gmailify, and then click Next again. Gmailify is a connection method that helps Gmail pull messages in and also apply some Gmail features, like organizing and spam filtering to the linked account. This can make your Yahoo Mail feel more integrated inside Gmail. After that, you will be prompted to sign in to the external email provider account and approve permissions. Follow the sign-in prompt that appears, and when you see a permissions screen, select Yes or Allow so Gmail can access your messages and complete the link. Take a moment to read what is being requested, and make sure you are signing in to the correct account before approving. Once permission is granted, the linking process should finish, and your Yahoo messages will begin appearing in Gmail based on the settings Gmail applies. And that is all there is to it.